Ever wonder why gorillas and great apes are so damn strong, so huge, and so incredible? Well, they're eating the best diet possible. But to do that, it takes them a hell of a lot of time. They're chewing pretty much 8 hours a day. They're foraging, rummaging through all their surroundings to get the best food possible for them. And the thing is, it takes a lot of effort, digestive-wise, to break and extract all that nutrients from the leafy greens, the shoots, the barks, the fruit, the berries, the twigs, all of the different things like that that they're eating. But we're great apes as well. And we have something that's a bit better than they have. And we have technology. In many ways, it's good. And if you have your hands on a blender, well, let me tell you, you are going to make your life so much better, so much healthier, because you can do what the apes do. Eat those leafy greens, eat the fruits and vegetables and everything in a large quantity without having to chew it all day long, simply by putting it into a blender, blending it up, breaking those cell walls, extracting all the nutrients that are in there, and maximizing your health. It's incredible. So let me show you how I make one of my favorite power ape-like smoothies. Okay, so what we're going to do is you start off with a ton of greens, because that's what they eat. Gorillas are out there foraging leafy greens, all kinds of shoots, bark, things like that. They end up eating a ton of it. So that is where you're going to master it with greens. Then there's their sprouts. This is wheat germ, ground flax, turmeric and pepper. And they eat a lot of fruit, so mixed berries. And what ape would not want bananas? And then for liquid, water. There you go. All right, so that's what you get. You have, it doesn't look, it's not like your typical green smoothie because it's got the berries that darken up the greens and everything, but it's incredibly healthy. And what I like to do is just pour it into mason jars. This is a 4-cup mason jar, and I'll end up filling up about 3 of these things. So they're perfect, ready to go for the next 2 days. And there you have it, buddy. This is a power-packed nutrient bomb. You let that thing go off first thing in your body in the morning, you are maximizing your nutrition for the day. Seriously, it's incredible. You can drink that 1 4-cup mason jar, 2 of them, whatever you want, whatever you can fit. That's the beauty of these smoothies, because they're not loaded with high-density calories. They're loaded with high-density nutrients, and that is what you want in your body at all times. So I hope that was helpful, because I know it's helped me big time. It's helped many people that I've shared this knowledge with. And that's what broprothrive.com is all about. It's a community of guys helping guys be the best we can be. So I hope to see you there. Raise a glass. Cheers to a great smoothie. Cheers to the great you. Talk to you soon.